Hi there, I'm Spencer.
And I'm Randy.
As Canadians, we love our hockey fast and our beer cold.
We also like paying domestic prices for the best beer on earth.
But our beloved Molson Canadian was sold to an American company, who now want to charge us import prices.
This is where we need your help.
You honk, we drink. Simple, right?
So click share and spread the word, Canada.
They came back? So what's your name? Kevin? Nice to meet you, Kevin. I'm Spencer. This is Randy. How do you feel about Canadian being sold to an American company?
I don't like it.
You don't like it at all. Kevin doesn't like it at all.
He hates it.
Hates someone else honking. Did you drink up? You're standing in front of the sign, aren't you? Right on, Kevin. That's all. Right on. Thank you, Kevin.
That's all you wanted?
Yeah, that's all I wanted. It's the bus! We got the bus!
So I don't exactly know where Randy went, but we are Canadian and we are both pretty drunk. Yeah, we're all pretty drunk. We are Canadian.